Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by opening Chrome and checking what kind of app you're removing. First, unlock your phone and launch Chrome. Make sure battery is above 20% so the process won't be interrupted. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right to access tools. You want to determine if the item is a standalone progressive web app or a Chrome-managed shortcut because removal differs. Once done, proceed to locate the app icon in the menu or on your home screen to remove it. Next, remove the app depending on its type. If it's a PWA, go to Phone Settings, then Apps, find the PWA name and tap Uninstall. This deletes app data. If it's a home screen shortcut, long press its icon and drag to remove or tap Uninstall. This won't affect browsing history. Alternatively, in Chrome, open the menu when the site is loaded, and if you see Install or Remove from Device, choose Remove. Make sure to confirm prompts so the item is fully removed. Finally, tidy up by clearing any leftover data and restarting the phone. Open Chrome Settings, go to Privacy, and optionally clear cached images or site data to remove traces. This helps free space and prevents ghost icons. Restart the device so the launcher updates and the icon disappears. If the app persists, re-enable app permissions, then try uninstalling again, or reinstall and uninstall one more time. This forces the package manager to reset and resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.